The Convenience Fee Surcharging Settings page is the page that allows you to configure these settings for your virtual terminal, so going in through the credit cards or electronic check links in the main menu, or for customers who are checking out through the Quick Click Shopping Cart system. This is off by default, but you can activate it by checking the box, and then a few options will appear. By default, we go to no surcharge, but you can select fixed or percentage, and this will determine, again, what will show up in the virtual terminal. I'm going to say fixed. And then you need to tell us what your fixed surcharge amount is and what the percentage is. If I'm doing a fixed, I'm going to say $2. If I'm doing a surcharge percentage, I'll do 5.5, so 5.5%. I can hit save. There we go, the options have been saved. And now, if I go to the sale page, I see right here in the top section, I have all the card information like normal, and then the amount field, but I also have a surcharge field with my $2 pre-filled because I'm using the fixed amount, and a total. So if I enter my card information, and then an amount, I'll do $10, you can see the surcharge of $2 is applied and the total charged to this customer will be $12. I can change that to percentage, in which case that changes to my 5.5 number, and now I'm charging $10.55. And I can even change this entirely. So if I want to charge a percentage, but I want to do 2.5% for this transaction, I can update that now and it'll show right here. You can always go back to that settings page, change these at any point, and if you ever want to turn it off, just check the box, and now they'll be off. So when I go back to the credit card page, those options no longer appear.